Should I put this to the back so I can see my face better? Yeah. Hey y'all, wait, I got music in my headphones. Let me turn this off. Hey y'all, hey everyone. Wait, who, what? Did I forget my intro? Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. And today is what I like to call a Triboro day, okay? That's something I made up. Basically what that means is I'm busy because I'm doing things in 3 boroughs. So you know I live in Queens. Let me cross this street. I live in Queens. I was up in Harlem doing a photo shoot for my goddaughter. Harlem is Manhattan. And then now I am in Brooklyn to get my hair done. I'm on my way to Keisha Felix right now. And he's doing my hair for a hair show. You're probably like, what? Didn't he retire? I said that I wasn't gonna be modeling, for the, International African Arts Festival. Oh my God. I said I wasn't gonna be modeling for the International African Arts Festival, but I am. But I'm not quite sure exactly. Am I gonna be on the runway? I don't know. I'm gonna ask Keisha when I get to his place, and I'm a couple blocks away. We in Crown Heights. I will show you the results at the International African Arts Festival tomorrow. I feel like I look kind of stupid with it backwards. Keisha, you said you don't care if you look stupid. Shut up. All right. And I was in Harlem earlier today because I think I said this already. I was doing a shoot for my goddaughter. I didn't announce this on my channel yet, but I put out my first children's book. Yay! It's called Mace, Maya, and Mary, the Lock Fairy. Check it out. It's available on Amazon only. I won't have signed copies for a very long time, actually. Yeah, so take a look at some of the photos from the photo shoot. Yeah, it was really important for me to write this book because, you know, I want to do for the lock community, right? So I'm always doing for the locked women and girls. I'm being more conscious of how I can do for men. And I have a product for men coming out probably in August, so stay tuned for that. But what about the kids? So that was the best way I knew how to give back to the lock community regarding children, writing a children's book. So the book is about these twin children who are starting a new school. They are used to going to school with other black and brown kids who look like them and have locks and things like that, but they move to a new neighborhood and start a new school and they're getting made fun of because of the locks. And we have to, you know, get them together. So we have to make sure that they're feeling confident in who they are and in what they look like. So I don't want to spoil the book too much, you know, but I guess the synopsis kind of spoils it away. So check it out on Amazon. Yeah, so I wonder what Keisha is gonna do to my hair. I wonder, hopefully it's nothing too crazy because I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. And I know I'm gonna be in here for a little while.
You just washed your hair?
I did, yeah. I had to yesterday. Oh, and I put a black and blue rinse in there, so don't be alarmed if you see blue water. I put the rinse in a few weeks ago. Does this outfit look familiar at all? This is what I wore to Jamaica, to the carnival in Jamaica. Check out my Jamaica vlog if you haven't seen it. It's really fun. I made it a little bit different because I was missing the piece that went on here. So this is actually the headpiece that I use over here because I can't find the piece that came with it. I'm actually gonna, I think I'm gonna put on some like rhinestones on my face. But I just want to show you guys the outfit, the nets. I just sewed the net to my top, but I'm leaving it out in the back because it leaves a gap, like a weird gap, when I pull it up. And I'm also gonna wear the wings. I still have the wings, can you believe? Throwing out the costume after today, I'm throwing out the wings after today. Because you can't keep reusing outfits like this, you know?
Life is using psychology to cheat my two-strike policy. Love is the full meal, like it's an ingredient. Love is sacrifice, like it's convenient. Love is forgiveness, like it's lenient. Love listens, unlike disobedient. Love is the gift, like it's the compliment. Love is the earth shift, like it's a continent. Because light is one side, love is the whole. Love is the gold mine, like it's the goal. Meaning love is the source, like it's the offspring. Love is the golf course, like it's the golf swing. Cause even when absent, love still exists. Like come and go, love will persist. Love can't say no, like will resist when tempted. Love is doing, like it's attempted. Love is the lifeline upon whom life is dependent. But once the blood is drained, that life could be ended. Cause love thrives off love, like thrives off blood. Sucking you dry, watching you die. Love is a cape to elevate and escape the hate. Light is featherweight, like a paper plate. Love could be a figure 8 or overweight. Like it's a figure of speech we overrate. So next time someone say, I love you, say don't tell me what love say, show me what love do. Don't tell me what love say, show me what love do. Don't tell me what love say, show me what love do. Love versus life. Peace and love, y'all. My name is Messiah Ramkisoon. Shout out to our beautiful family, Kafele, our beautiful model, our sister, out here shining. And thank y'all for having us. Make sure y'all check out my merch brand behind the tent. Black fathers are necessary. Peace. This is Queen Charmaine.
You all just saw the performance. This is the aftermath. We're chilling. Here I am with Kafele and Messiah. Should I go in the middle?
Peace.
Oh, my wings are all, let me take these wings off. Here we go.
What's up? Peace and love.
What's up, Kafele?
What's up, everybody?
How you guys feel now that it's over?
Feel relieved. Feel blessed to be able to share the runway with this amazing talent, to perform our art alongside you know, so we feel great, man. I feel amazing. Shout out to Kafele. Thank you for inviting me, for having me, for curating the space. Peace.
Yes, how do you feel?
Representing natural hair at the African Street Festival with Messiah and Keisha.
Yes. You know, I always say I grew up downtown Brooklyn because I went to high school downtown Brooklyn. But yeah, I always managed to get like discombobulated and disoriented coming around here. But it's not my fault. It's because Brooklyn is so gentrified now. It's so gentrified, especially downtown Brooklyn. So every time I come down here, it's something different that throws me off. But yeah, I'm walking and I'm trying to take my route from my school because the park where the hair show was, I used to go to that park all the time in high school because it's literally a couple of blocks from my high school. So I'm approaching my school right now. Just so I can get some flashbacks. And it's so different over here, man. It's so different. Take a look. Yeah, there's some construction going on, so you can't get a really full effect, but I graduated maybe like 13 years ago now. Let me think. I can't do mental math right now, I'm too tired. But yeah, so something about me that you might be interested in knowing. While I am definitely friendly and a people person, I'm personable, I'm an introvert. So I have like a limit to the amount of interactions with people, you know, until I get uncomfortable and I have to go. So I just had to leave. I had to go. I'm also like really tired, and it's that time of the month approaching, so I feel really fatigued. But also, I could feel myself, you know, I could feel the rudeness coming through, because, you know, that's how I kind of get. I don't get rude, but it can be interpreted as rude. For instance, just now. Hi.
This way?
Yeah, that way, back that way. Straight ahead, yes, go straight. Yes, we used to come through these doors. These are the side doors. We're coming through here. The elevator was right there. It was like 4 schools in that building when I went there. But anyway, that was not there. Those new condos. Can you see that? That was not there. Huh. But that park, that's another park we used to go to all the time. It used to go down. It used to go down. I'm not even gonna say what that means. If you know, you know. But yeah, so when I'm dealing with people, I have to like turn on my personable switch, because naturally I'm very reserved. Naturally I'm very quiet. I'm an observer. But what I do for a living very often, I have to turn on that switch and because I'm dealing with people. So at the park just now, like somebody approached me with open arms trying to give me a hug, and I'm just like, but that was kind of rude. I mean, it's also kind of weird to be trying to hug somebody you don't know. Just because you may know me doesn't mean I know you. You have to remember that. So I'm looking at her like, oh, do I know you from somewhere? That's my natural instinct to be like, do I know you? So I know my facial expression could have been received really badly, but such is life. I'm used to that, because my face I make a lot of faces. I've been told that my whole life. The faces I make are very shady, but they're not intentionally so. So that's that high school right there, Weston House. That's where Biggie went to high school. Biggie Smalls. Should I cross here? No, I should not. I'll go this way. This hotel was not there when I went to school here. That hotel or condos or whatever it is was not there. Used to be a McDonald's. People used to always fight over there. That hotel wasn't there either. I'm telling you, it's all projects back there. Beyond those buildings, projects as well. So it's like, I don't know what's going on as far as like the cost of living in the neighborhood. I don't know. Well, I'm guessing like the project prices probably don't go up, but yeah, but I wonder how their experience is different now that the condos are here and the expensive hotels are here. I wonder how the natives' experience is different. But so I'm gonna take this walk down to Atlantic Terminal. I used to do that all the time with my friends. Well, mostly we would walk to a fast food place. It's not there anymore. It was Taco Bell. It was on Fulton, but Well, not on Fulton, it was off Fulton. All the spots are gone. Some of the spots are still there. The Burger King is still there, where I would see people in the back snorting cocaine. McDonald's is still there too. The McDonald's straight ahead. It's a really big McDonald's. That's not going nowhere. And that's prime real estate too. I think we're gonna pass it. I was completely wrong about the McDonald's being here still. This is what used to be McDonald's. Wow. They still have the McDonald's sign up, and it looks like it been stopped being McDonald's. Judging by the inside of it, it looks like it was a different restaurant altogether. Oh wait, I'm bugging. Here's McDonald's. Here's the McDonald's. I was definitely bugging. And where I'm headed right now is actually pretty much exactly where the BAM fair was. So if you saw that vlog, check it out. I'll link it above. I mean, if you didn't see that vlog. But yeah, that's where I'm headed, because that's by Atlantic Mall, and that's where the Long Island Railroad is. That's the fastest way to get to Queens from downtown Brooklyn. So that's where I go. I could take the subway, but that would take me like an hour and a half. Not a half, maybe like an hour 15. Oh, nobody's turning.
Times have changed, people.
Yep, right here. It looks a lot bigger when the fair isn't happening.
It's following Nutterbutt.